Alright guys, Razorback 5, I'm going to be solving the Rubik's Cube today. Got a request for it. And the only reason I'm not going to be putting Guitar Hero videos up for a long time is because of the copyright crap. Whole James Like Coulter, I Bite Pretty Hard thing got deleted. So I'm not going to take that big of a risk right now, but I'm just going to do this. And if you think this is fake, I'm playing this backwards, just like get out of here, I don't care. Alright. Here we go. Alright, I'm gonna start right there. Cube solved. Alright. Decided to film with my webcam today. Just didn't feel like getting my other camera out, but yeah, here's my Rubik's Cube. And this proves that, because I'm talking right here. I can't talk backwards with crap, alright? I don't know anyone I can. It's not fake. If you say it's fake, I'll block you. I'm serious. I've blocked people before, I'll block you. Yeah, so just some short video. Also, post video responses. I want to see if anyone can get a better score than I can, or get a better timing than I can. So, alright, well.